For the spiritual seekers, gives mukti, liberation, gets connectivity with the gods, gets connectivity with the divinity, shows the way for your moksha, shows the way for spiritual path. It lightens up your path, adds value to your dhyana, meditation, spending some time with the divinity, becomes quality oriented. He becomes one with the God, irrespective of his sadhana or no sadhana, irrespective of his nirvikalpa samadhi or savikalpa samadhi, whatever it is. Whether he is practicing KKA or KKJ is immaterial. These are the ways and means of approaching the gods. Approaching the gods and becoming one among God's family. Namaste. Hope all of you are enjoying the Kriya Kundalini Awakening and Kriya Kundalini Jagran. Continue to be performed since over 100 days. 21 into 5, already 105 days are over. And just a few days back, we have started step 6 also, which will bring more happiness in and around us. Along with the Kriya Kundalini, we are also giving you some clues, some secrets, which without any barrier, what I mean is, the barriers are the male, female, other gender, the age, infant, child, adolescent, youth, mid-age, old age, very, very old age, whatever may be the caste, whatever may be the religion, whatever may be the region, whether you are a virtuous person, whether you are a sinner, whether you are an ordinary person, whether you are an officer, whether you are a Raja, whether you are a Praja, whether you are in jail, whether you are outside the jail, whether you continue to commit sin, whether you continue to do virtuous. One particular item from the divinity, which every individual can possess this to change their lives. It is so simple. It has to remain with us all the time, like our vital energy which is going and coming inside, like the breath. Without the breath, we are dying. We will be dying and we will die. Wherever we go to office, we come to house, we go to bathroom, we go to kitchen, we go to bedroom. We are aware about us, we are not aware about us. We are in sleep, we are in dream. We are in consciousness, we are in super consciousness. We are in Sarvikalpa Samadhi, we are in Nirvikalpa Samadhi. We are not at all in Samadhi. We are fighting, we are angry, we are calm, we are laughing, we are shouting. In all these situations, the breath is always with us. I am going to talk about a very unique item about which people are so careless, so unaware, so ignorant, no knowledge, no trust, no belief. They cannot realize, can this happen around them? Such an item I am going to discuss today. It is nothing other than the sacred Rudraksha. Rudraksha is so sacred. Only very simple two conditions. If at all I will have to ascribe, I will ascribe. At the end I will ascribe that, not now. Those two persons need not wear. Other than that, from the just born child to the about to take Samadhi person, every day wearing it, every minute wearing it, every second being with it will give. It is said that once Narada comes across a divine fruit, as it happened in the fight between Ganapati, Gananayaka and Shanmuga or Subramanya, where a fruit they wanted to share, but that cannot be shared by cutting it. So the Shiva and Parvati put a condition that whoever goes around the universe and come back, they will get the divine fruit. Lord Shanmuga Subramanya takes his vehicle, the peacock, and goes around the universe. Whereas Gananayaka Ganapati Vinayaka takes a round around Shiva and Parvati and claims the fruit. As a result of this, the Palani temple has been created by Lord Shanmuga. But for this incident, there was no reason for Bogasiddhar, Bogamarishi, Bogamuni to prepare a Navapashana statue of Dandayudapani at Palani in Tamil Nadu. Similar to this incident, Narada encounters a very divine sacred fruit. He did not know what to do. He goes before Vishnu, the Mahavishnu, and tenders these fruits and requests him to enlighten himself about the fruit. With this fruit, Narada approaches Mahavishnu and seeks his enlightenment. Narada wants to know the secret of this divine particular fruit. Mahavishnu explains to Narada, "O Narada, once upon a time, long, long ago, there were three brothers, namely Tarakaksha, Vidyunmali, and Kamalaksha. They were collectively called as Tirupurasara. These demons were creating havoc on all the worlds due to a powerful boon they obtained from Brahma. When such was the condition, their devatas were so much troubled by the Tirupura Asura. I took all the devatas, all the gods, and approached Shiva. All the gods pleaded with Shiva to bring an end for the demon kings Tirupurasura. Acceding to the request and conceding to the request of the devatas, Shiva, after listening patiently, decides to make a powerful weapon which could kill all the three asuras in one shot. The name of the weapon created by Shiva was Agora. That is the reason even today Shiva has got 5 faces, of which one is Agora. In the last episode of YouTube video, I have explained this. Members can go to that video and see it, understand it also. Maybe in the KKA 5 and KKJ 5 episode, we have discussed about it. In order to prepare this particular weapon, Sadashiva takes thousands of years to prepare this particular weapon, because these demon kings attained such a power from Brahma after a penance of thousands of years spending on various methods. So in order to kill them, bring an end to the story of troubling the devatas, Shiva had to spend thousands of years in super consciousness. Listening to the voice of the devatas, Shiva opens his eyes once. He opens his eyes, which was closed for so many years. Just when Shiva opens and closes his eyes, tears fall from his third eye, which become a sacred tree yielding Rudraksha. Fruit which came out of this tree is what you are holding in your hand, is the answer given by the Mahavishnu. such a sacred Rudraksha seed every individual must possess. Among the Rudraksha seeds, each Rudraksha has got what they call it as Ekamukhi, one face, two face, three face. Like that it continues up to 21 faces. There will be a line cleft which will indicate how many faces it has got. Through a naked eye it can be seen. There is no special method needed for such things. The Rudraksha is so powerful for Shiva Bhaktas, Shivacharyas, disciples of Shivas, the followers of Shiva. Three things are very prominent for them. The first and foremost is sacred ash, Rudraksha and Panchakshara. Although the Rudraksha has several faces, 1 to 14, 1 to 21, etc., the Panchamukhi Rudraksha is very common. Keeping in mind a common man, Shiva graces more and more Rudraksha of Panchamukhi only, which will encompass all the mukhas in it. It can be attained, it can be accessed by every common man. That will bring enormous change in their life, which we must understand. It is also told that only a virtuous person can afford to wear a Rudraksha on his body. If somebody is not wearing Rudraksha, then their quality of being virtuous gets reduced. I will be wearing a Rudraksha. This is Ekamukhi, which I have been wearing since over 30 years or so. This was very rare and very costly also. As a result, if someone says Onmukhi is available in round shape, then get it tested. Always the Ekamukhi will be available only in cashew shape. The cashew nut shape it will be there. Other than that, if it is in round, it must be tested properly. There are ways and means of getting it tested. Nowadays, testing labs have come which show the X-ray of the original, which show the X-ray as well as shows the originality or not of the Rudraksha seed itself. A single Rudraksha can be worn by any age, any sex, any caste, any creed, any religion, any profession, anybody, human beings on the earth. It is a must for every individual to wear this one, irrespective of a menstruating lady or a not menstruating lady, a married lady, a widow, a child, a boy, a youth, a old man, a Raja, a Praja, top man and bottom man, anybody, without any distinction, wearing a Rudraksha is a must according to Shiva Purana, Skanda Purana, etc. For ages, for yugas, for a millennium, Rudraksha has been in use with the people of this sacred land. You enter into any Shiva temple, enter into any Shankaracharya matas, invariably you will see the persons staying in that mata or the mat wearing Rudraksha around their neck. One single Rudraksha can change your life. One Rudraksha is more than sufficient for normal person. No need for wearing a mala of Rudraksha, although it is possible to wear Rudraksha mala also. People have a misconception. I take drinks, I smoke, I go to toilet, I go to bathroom, I go to bar, I go to restaurant, I go to club, I do so many ill things. Irrespective of what you are, possessing a Rudraksha on your body helps you to get connectivity. For the spiritual seekers, Rudraksha gives mukti, liberation, gets connectivity with the gods, gets connectivity with the divinity, shows the way for your moksha, shows the way for spiritual path. It lightens up your path, adds value to your dhyana, meditation, spending some time with the divinity. It becomes quality oriented when you possess a Rudraksha. Just before the preparation of the Aghora Astara by Lord Shiva, those tears bring the sacred seed on earth for millions and millions, billions and billions of people to get connected. Not only this, those who are possessing a single Rudraksha, either in Mangalya, either in their chain, either on a thread around their neck, those individuals instantly and automatically become member of Shiva's family. We claim, I am a business family, I am a spiritual family, I am a top level family, I am an elevated family, I am a elite family, etc. we claim, but we become the member of Shiva's family itself. As Krishna says, the last word which you utter at the time of passing away of your life, you become that. We discussed earlier. But what happens, we become in coma, we do not utter any word. Rudraksha comes to that rescue. The person who possesses a Rudraksha at the time of his death, whether he is in coma, whether he is in drama, whether he is in anger, whether he is murdered, whether he murders anybody, at the time of death, if a person possesses a Rudraksha, he becomes one with the God, irrespective of his sadhana or no sadhana, irrespective of his Nirvikalpa Samadhi or Savikalpa Samadhi, whatever it is. Whether he is practicing KKA or KKJ is immaterial. These are the ways and means of approaching the gods. Approaching the gods and becoming one among God's family. Person who is taking vegetarian, person who is not taking vegetarian, person who is taking drinks, person who is drug addict, person who is sick, person who is not sick, Raja, the Praja, the sick man, the doctor who is treating the sick man, everyone must possess the Rudraksha, at least one Rudraksha. Panchamukhi, very, very cheap. It is not at all expensive. A few hundred rupees you can get it. But if you are close to some area, near to Nepal and all, you can get it for throwaway price also. Get one Rudraksha which is certified from the lab. That will give you guarantee that you are possessing the original, because everything comes duplicate in these days. For the married people, it gives cordial relationship between husband and wife. For the growing children, it gives empowerment in education. For the persons who are disturbed in home front as well as in office front, they get a good boss, or there is cordiality between boss and the person who is working. For the government servants, always the tension gets reduced. For the people who are in education, they will be in a position to impart quality education to the students and the people. Every individual, whichever way, whichever place you are working, just possess one Rudraksha. That gives you unexpected saving, unexpected protection, unexpected grace. Many, many times we will not be able to count it at all. Those persons who are crippled, who are handicapped, who are blind, who cannot hear, they will acquire some special qualities to increase their awareness in and around them, which the body is not giving to them as a result of some lacuna in the manufacturing defect by the gods, or if at all we are attributing to karma theory, whatever may be the reason, you attribute anything. But when you feel some energy loss because of one limb in your body is not there, one part of your vital part is not working, at that time possessing a Rudraksha can give some kind of strength to you. That much is guaranteed. There is again doubt, like men, during my periods can I wear it? While having sexual affairs, sexual act with husband and wife, can I wear? While sitting in toilet, can I wear? While eating non-vegetarian, can I wear? Anybody can wear at any time. The only condition is you are not to get separated under any circumstances from your Rudraksha even at night. This is what Shiva Purana, Skanda Purana very clearly indicate. Devi Parashakti, somewhere in Arunachala Purana also, it is clearly indicated that Sri Devi Parashakti also was wearing the whole body with Rudraksha and sacred ash. It is only a token indication that women are not forbidden from wearing Rudraksha over their body. Because of misconception, many things we fail to do, but many things we continue to do wrong. But one thing is very clear, a person who is virtuous as of this moment only can wear, only he will be allowed. If you are not allowed, or if you are not allowed to wear a Rudraksha, or if you don't show any interest in wearing a Rudraksha, just assume you are not virtuous. Only those who are virtuous on this land will be able to wear Rudraksha. So everybody must wear a Rudraksha to indicate that I am virtuous also. Once you wear the Rudraksha on your body, never ever remove it under any circumstances at any house. Even if you go to a death house, even if you go to a bar and restaurant, even if you are entering a unethical place, never remove your Rudraksha. Is the benchmark, is the punchmark which you must follow. Somewhere the Shiva Purana also states that wearing a Rudraksha is equivalent to taking bath in Ganga. Taking bath in Ganga is equivalent to getting salvation or mukti. Now we can know the importance of wearing a Rudraksha. Wearing a Rudraksha around the body, around the neck, brings Lakshmi Kataksha, wealth building, courage, transformation in life. Even those people who eat non-vegetarian, kill the animal, also will wear, but over a period of time, they will get transformed into a non-killer, non-eater. Slowly the mentality will change. We are not asking anybody to stop your non-vegetarian. We are not asking you to show any mercy on any animal, because people will not listen. But by wearing Rudraksha, they themselves will be carried to that level. Automatically it will happen. If at all a person wears one Rudraksha and writes Om Namah Shivaya 108 times per day, and takes the name of Om Namah Shivaya, utters 1008 times every day. I repeat, wearing one Rudraksha, writing Om Namah Shivaya 108 times, reciting 1008 Om Namah Shivaya every day for 1008 days will bring all your realization to be fulfilled. All your dreams, all your aims, all your needs will be automatically fulfilled. Those who want to test, they can test that. They can test then they can come back to me and express, yes, you will not come with the no. That much I can assure. But we will understand who will not wear Rudraksha, who should not wear Rudraksha. Those who are killing cows offsprings, those who are eating beef, those who are eating pork, these persons should not wear Rudraksha. If they wear, they will meet with very bad experience. They will ruin their life. If they want to stop these activities, they can wear. Otherwise, if they wanted to continue these activities, they will not be transformed. They will not be transformed. They will have to suffer a lot. So I advise these persons not to wear Rudraksha. All other persons, irrespective of any conditions, no conditions are attached to this one. You will continue to wear Rudraksha all the time, all the 365 days, all the 24 hours, every minute, every second. The Rudraksha, once you start wearing, it will be with you. Go for Panchamukhi Rudraksha. Based on the feedback received, based on the number of views this particular video is getting, I will give you more information on various other aspects, various secrets of Rudraksha. I will think of giving that only after 2000 or 3000 people have seen this video. Till such time, I will not give certain very secrets that will be available only for these 3000 people. So I will wait till such time. All the very best. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.